A system administrator needs to enable security auditing. What additional configuration steps are required before auditing becomes effective? Option A. Configure the types of events that are recorded. Option B. Configure the types of events that are recorded, and configure failure notifications. Option C. Create a set of users or groups mapped to the Admin Security Manager role. Option D. Create a set of users or groups mapped to the auditor role, and define the notification mechanism. The correct answer is option D. A system administrator needs to enable single sign-on, SSO, using LTPA between WebSphere cells. What must the administrator do to accomplish this? Option A. Configure both cells to share LNAT keys. Option B. Configure both cells to use the same user registry. Option C. Ensure URL requests use only host names or IP addresses. Option D. Ensure each cell is in a unique domain name system, DNS. The correct answer is option B. A system administrator must deploy a new application that assesses Java security. There are several applications installed in the cell that use application security but not Java security. How can the administrator enable support for Java security without affecting the other applications? Option A. Enable Java 2 security at the cell level and grant permissions only to the new application. Option B. Configure a security domain with Java 2 security enabled for the application server that will host the new application. Option C. Configure a security domain for the other applications and cell with both Java 2 security enabled and application security. Option D. Disable global security and configure a security domain with Java 2 security. The correct answer is option B. In a network deployment cell, web users are prompted several times to authenticate. What should the administrator do so that the users only need to authenticate once during the session? Option A. Configure an authentication proxy server in the DMZ. Option B. Enable the set security cookies to only property for the global single sign-on configuration. Option C. Enable single sign-on for the global security configuration and provide the necessary DNS domain names. Option D. Increase the default LTPA timeout and the cache timeout values for forwarded credentials between servers. The correct answer is option C.